Sorry about the mess, we're doing a bit of renovating. Cat's after a box of stuff, which is where this fork was. It's sniffing it. That's not a good sign, but this package is safe. Anyway, here we have the Krsec suspension fork off eBay, or rather the lower legs, because I took it apart to see how skookum it is. It isn't skookum. If in case you're wondering, she's not skookum. First off, we have terrible plastic nylon bushings in the lowers. Okay, a lot of Suntours have that, but considering this thing was about 120 quid shipped, no, that's not good. It's also lubricated by grease. That's not a good thing. That's like the 90s. And there's this sticker on here which says, this is a Suntour sticker, and it says on it, you can't pick up on camera unfortunately, warning, use only for leisure cross country, do not use for free ride, downhill, dirt jump or any hard riding. The improper use of this fork can result in fork failure and personal injury. For more details, see owner's manual or www.srsuntourcycling.com. Yeah, this is not a Suntour fork. Just in case you're wondering, this thing is nowhere near the quality of a Suntour fork, and that's saying something. So what else we got on the lowers that was of entertaining value? Torque cap optimised dropout. Okay. See if you know who that's copyright to. It certainly isn't this thing. XE20. High fatigue life. Very good lad. That's Speed Upgrade Series. VIP Speed Upgrade Series. There's a Manchester United logo or something on there, a dragon of some description. Fantastic. Don't know what that says. Fancy right, I can't make that out. There is a picture of a horse on the side of it. With what appears to be an elephant riding the horse. You couldn't make this shit up, no really. Okay, so everyone says, oh yeah, this has the ABS damper because it has this cap. No, you bloody idiot, that's just a cap. This is the actual damper right here. This is a fixed rebound, adjustable compression sealed cartridge damper. It's completely sealed, it's crimped at both ends. You cannot service this damper in any way. Once that oil turns to schmoo after about 14 hours of use, this thing is scrap metal, along with the whole rest of this thing. It is an air fork, yay. Frankly, again, it's all made out of plastic in there, like really weak nylon. Wouldn't trust it as far as I could throw it. And honestly, guys, for your money, you're better off just going and get a RockShox XC30, or even an XC28, or even an SR Suntour, you know, XCM or XCR, because at least it's a brand name fork. At least you know you're not going to kill yourself with this thing. I mean, you know, a faked Suntour's freaking sticker on the back here, and it's clearly not a Suntour product. So, who knows what the rest of it is like? Who knows what the materials are like that make this thing up? So, yeah, just go to your local bike shop, buy something from there, like an XC28 or an XC30, or a Suntour XCM, or even an XCT. So here we have a set of lowers of my B-Twin 560s. RockShox XC30 forks. This bike does 150 to 300 miles a week, and you know, the bushings are still good. It uses proper metal bushings and oil to actually lubricate it. This thing grease lubricated, so the grease just ends up going to the bottom of the fork with gravity, and then the bushings, which run on these stanchion tubes here, run dry, and then the fork seat is solid, or you get score marks on your stanchions. Oh, your bushings just turn to dust and you end up with bushing slop, so this bit wiggles around in this bit and all sorts of nasty problems. Another thing to notice about this fork is the steer tube. You see how it's pushed through? It's like they anodised it first, then pushed it through later. And as you can see, it's got some stress marks on the actual steer tube. So who knows if that's still safe, or if they've actually crushed the grain structure of the aluminium as they pushed it through. And then, hey, they don't give a fuck, they're selling this thing on eBay. Right, that concludes this video.